Well, I had to get back out my winter boots and my winter clothes. It snowed. Maggie likes it. Snow dog. Let's check on these tulips. I think they're pretty hardy little plants. I've seen it before. I wonder if it will stunt their growth or not. Tulips are gonna die from the snow? No. I've seen it snow on so many tulips over the years. I know it's not gonna kill them. Will it stunt their growth? Maybe. I don't really know. I mean, they could have already been stunted from lack of rain, or maybe the bulbs I got weren't that good. So for me to say that the snow is what stunts their growth or not, I don't know. But if you follow along, we will see how these tulips bloom and how they do. But welcome to Iowa weather. It is gonna, I think, melt off. And it is supposed to start getting warmer. I don't even know if it gets below freezing again after today. I'm so excited. So why wouldn't I just stay in the house since it's cold and wet and freezing? Well, so Nate and I kind of went and did a thing last night. I need a cooler. So I already have one cooler, but I just wanted more space. And I saw a really good deal on a beverage cooler. And I figured I have like humidity gauges and everything else. I will try to figure something out because it was such a great deal. So I was like, Nate, there's this cooler. These really nice people have it. Like, let's go get it. We're gonna go get a cooler. So we had to borrow my dad's truck because it's about 7 feet tall, and with my toolbox on my truck, I didn't think it would fit. So I grabbed my dad's truck and we headed to a town about 30 minutes away, and we loaded up the cooler and everything was going great, and we got out to the farmhouse and it started raining. No big deal, we'll just carry it inside. It appears to be smaller than a normal fridge, so it'll be fine. Well, this is how life goes sometimes. So it's raining, it's pitch black. There are no lights out here, so the only lights we have are from car lights shining on it and the lights of the house inside. We have no tools, and it is so heavy. Like, it is so heavy. And yeah, I mean, Nate and I did get it out of the truck and we got it up onto the step, and then we realized it wasn't gonna go through the door anyway we did it. So today I need to try to figure out if I can take off the front door and these front grills, because that would give us enough space to get it into the house. So that is what I'm going to attempt to do. It actually looks very tricky. And this was our solution to the rain last night. We will get a tarp and we will put a tarp over it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it sometimes. It looks like it stayed. One side got pulled out. So this is my project today, to hopefully get those off. And I am going to rent a cart dealy-mabobber thing because it needs to go in that way, and I think it would be a lot easier to use a cart because we were struggling. The struggle was real. So that's what I'm going to do. There's some kind of clip here, and it runs up to the door. So I assume maybe it's for the lights in the door, which I don't really need. I could just cut it off, but I'm gonna try to figure out how to get that clip off. Alright, so I just pushed on this little black piece right here, and then it just pulls off. So now I've got that off. If this appears dangerous, it probably is. It's all I had. I need to get up there. There's screws in the top. I think the birds might be yelling at the snow to go away. Just pulled up to one of my favorite stores in Knoxville. Okay, I think it's ratcheted and ready to go. So now I'm just probably going to need assistance to move it and get it inside. Does Lizzie and this look beautiful? I got my cooler. I think it's gonna fit flowers just fine. I made it have a couple of shelves so I can take them and adjust them like really easily. So I'll plug it in a few days and I'll have an extra spot for some flowers. So excited. I'm just gonna have to mess with the humidity a little bit maybe, and we'll see. I can put a lot more flowers in there though than I could before, so adding to the collection. Big shout out to Nate and my dad for helping me move this into the house. That was a chore. Thank you. I hope everybody has a great night, and I'll see you next time.